welcome to our channel where we don't waste your time on lengthy introductions, we go straight to the action. So if you were wondering how to automate Canva creations with ChatGPT, there is an easy way. So first what you need to do is try to find a GPT that you need to use. You can find it sometimes by clicking here on find or search GPTs on the left hand side, or if you don't see it here, you can find it here by clicking on your icon and then explore GPTs. So when clicking on that, just enter Canva here and it will appear in a matter of seconds. So just click here and it will kind of install it in your environment in ChatGPT. I already did that, so I will not do it once again. So let's go to the next window. We already did that. You see here Canva, and now you are in kind of a Canva GPT environment and you can try different prompts. So for example, here is the prompt: design a vibrant YouTube thumbnail template for a tech review channel with a bold text and dynamic elements. I did this previously so that we don't waste too much time. And you can see here two different templates. If you click on any of them, you will directly open the Canva, as you can see here, and you can change any of those and then just publish as your nice and dandy YouTube thumbnail. So let's see what other things it can do. It's rather easy, nice, and slick. So I have here ready a couple of prompts. Let's say create a modern business card with a clean and bold look for a startup founder. Let's see what we'll get here. Okay, click. Let's see what will kind of offer us here. You need to allow connection to the Canva. You can click always allow or every time you put a prompt. Let's put allow, talking to a connector, and in a matter of couple of seconds we should receive a nice good output. Okay, so here are two modern business card designs. Let's see what did GPT came up with. Okay, so we have a John Doe, startup founder, as a business card, and then it will give another option also. So whenever you click, this is really simple and basic, but you know, with additional description, it can get much better. Just click here, and it will once again open Canva, where you can do whatever you like with your design. You can of course export it to the PDF, then send to printer, and whatever else you like to do. So let's try the final prompt, different prompts. Let's say this one. Okay, allow. Okay, now we're getting somewhere with the infographic template, and this actually looks pretty neat, pretty nice. So you can play with it. For example, this one looks very good actually. Let's go shopping, template, fatigue symptoms. Let's open a couple of those. Okay, let's open also this one. Let's see how does it look in the Canva. So you see, pretty nice, very quickly created, pretty appealing, and nice little infographic. And let's see also at the end, this one also looks pretty neat. You can then play around with it, do whatever you want, and of course share and download as a PDF, as PNG, JPEG, or whatever you like. So yeah, pretty interesting thing that you can do with connection of Canva together with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.